I received this knife in the mail from Imarku. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. It's Imarku, Imarku. And as you can see, it's a nice, solid handle there. Full tang. This is the hammered steel chef's knife. I already used it. I'm making some fried green tomatoes. I already used it to slice up some tomatoes, and let me tell you, it is sharp. I'm going to show you how easily it goes through this tomato. You can see. Beautiful cuts of the tomatoes. Here, let me do one razor thin for you so you can see just how sharp this knife is. Look at that. Some razor thin pieces. Not very good knife work on my part, but razor thin. Let me try one for a whole piece. There we go. Almost completely got the whole piece there. But it's beautiful. Yeah, really nice and sharp. The hammered steel is a nice look. Thank you for sending me this knife. I've certainly used a lot of knives in my time, and this is a nice piece of steel. Very sharp. Hopefully we'll see how it does it in a few months after I use it for some time. But I see no reason why it wouldn't sharpen up beautifully as well. Thank you to Imarku for sending me this knife, and I'll be cutting some more tomatoes for fried green tomatoes. Take care.